So here in this question, the price elasticity of demand is a measure of how responsive quantity demand is to change in price. It is calculated by dividing the percentage change in quantity demand by the percentage change in price. So in this case, the elasticity or the price elasticity of demand, which is represented by EP, is equals to delta Q upon Q upon delta P upon P, and plugging in the values, that is minus 2 upon 100 upon 20 upon 20, and that comes out to be minus 0.01. The negative sign indicates that quantity demand and price are inversely related. Now, in the second part, the income elasticity of demand is a measure of how responsive